So here we are at the beginning of 2019. Happy New Year. But before the year fully gets underway, can you spare a few minutes to help me? You see, I've been making videos about my bow making and archery journey for 2 years now. That's nearly 100 videos and 1.5 million views. And during that time, many of you have come along with me and subscribed, joined the conversation, given me encouragement, and a few thumbs down. What I mean is, do you have a particular style of video that you like? A particular subject? Do you want videos just about bow making? Or do you want... Just a minute. So, do you prefer videos like this? But you should be pleased if you've got this far. Or maybe you're fed up with me sounding like David Attenborough and prefer just visuals like this. These are the Mercian bowmen, by the way. Great bunch of guys. I'm not sure if humour works here. What do you think? Or would you like more videos explaining other crafts that are associated with archery and bow making? In fact, there are so many paths that fan out from archery and bow making. There's woodworking, leathercraft, metalwork, history. The list is absolutely endless. I've already been given some great ideas for videos and short films, and these are whirling away around in here right now, taking shape. And thank you for those who've made those suggestions. You know who you are. So in which direction would you like this channel to go? Instructional, visual, historical, associated crafts? Do let me know right down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, that's a wrap.